Hello friends, welcome to today's video. IPER conducted one-day training program at Indira College of Pharmacy, Indira University, Pune on pharma sales and marketing and detailing as an essential skill. Dr. Burande covered current scenarios in Indian pharma and detailing strategies.
Many pressures, many tensions, tremendous hard work, meticulous work. And maybe because of that your strength is developed in the body, which is reflected in the average age, 74. But go to independence, 1947, average age was just 37 years. People were dying. Infections were more, no antibiotics, that's why Hindustan antibiotic is there. Get a job in HA during my time, it was very difficult. I was rejected, my application was rejected. But that time, Hindustan antibiotics, manufacturing antibiotics saved millions of lives. A government project. Karnataka antibiotics is also doing extremely well. Goa antibiotics is there, doing extremely well.
Mahesh Burande explained the field of sales and marketing along with case studies and examples.
सर्विस तो इसमें से सारे यूज करने हैं ऐसा नहीं है बट यू हैव टू चूज आपका यूएसपी क्या है यूनिक सेलिंग पॉइंट क्या है एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू कैन टेल मी हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू मार्केट दिस प्रोडक्ट
brand loyalty. Nivea is very well known, so it gives a push up, like as it is a brand. So we can like grab the market easily. As if Nivea launches any product, any cosmetic or anything, it can be launched easily.
Satish Kelkar spoke on marketing strategies with case studies.
For example, azithromycin we were promoting in upper respiratory tract infections. Now we take a decision that we will start promoting azithromycin in lower respiratory tract infections also. What is that? A new indication. There is social causes. Yes, sometimes society changes. The diseases that were prevalent 50 years back are not there today.
So how are you?
Fine, sir.
Yeah.
How are you, sir?
Good.
First of all, very good evening, sir. I am Gaurav Chandra from IPER Pharmaceuticals. Today, I am with the Ultrafolin tablet, sir. Basically, Ultrafolin is the ultra nutritional supplement to overcome the dietary deficiencies during pregnancy.
Hello, doctor.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, sir?
I'm fine.
I was waiting outside and I saw some anxious patients. So I assumed you might be seeing some patients suffering with
Yes.
anxiety or depression.
Anxiety depression is quite common.
Yeah.
Very simple.
If that's the scenario, so let me introduce you to our new member of LTO Pharmaceuticals, Restil. It's basically an alprazolam, but this is the first medicine that has extended antidepressant activity.
Very
And it shows the onset of action within the first week.
Students detailed various products and enjoyed the process of convincing the doctor to generate prescriptions.
And I'm from Even Care company. So we have a gas cap which is related to acidity or like means hyperacidity, peptic ulcer. People are suffering today by the hyperacidity, peptic ulcer or reflux aspectus or heartburns or acidemia. It provides a sustainable antacid effects with a balanced effect on intestinal mobility. Also, it provides a quick relief within 10 10 seconds. So it is somehow unique point of ours. And even it is sugar free. So even the diabetes people can have it.
Restream 100% reduces the menstrual anxiety or depression or any symptoms like that.
Very good.
I
Very
hope
good.
that you would prescribe Restream to your patients.
Sure, sure. So I definitely use that.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You know, what is encouraging is she has used a video which has 3 pages of DVD.